Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, in the last class we have done some of the questions based on counting, right? So I hope all of you have enjoyed the counting and drawing also, right? Yes, now moving to the next concept, that is forward counting and backward counting. So children, as you know, counting means from which number you always start counting? Yes, you count from 1, right? Yes. So normally how we are counting, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How we are normally counting, that counting is called as forward counting. Okay, I'll show you with example. Here you can see this is the forward counting, this is the backward counting. So normally how we count? Yes, we count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? And above 10 also we count like 11, 12, 13, 14. Like that till 100 or 200 we count. Right? So normally if we start the counting from 1. Okay. 0 also, but normally when we are counting objects, we count from 1. So when we are counting from 1, okay, then we say that is the forward counting. Okay, children? Yes. So, and are you able to see the arrow mark upwards? That means when we are counting from 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that, then that is forward counting. Okay? Then, now coming to backward counting. Now, the opposite of forward counting is your backward counting. What is the meaning? That means you will start with the bigger number, 2, 1. That means how? Do you know how the rocket counting? Yes. That means what? There we will count backward. Okay? I'll tell you how to count the rocket counting, or that is called as backward counting. That means, as we say, when the rocket is going to start, okay, then how we count? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Okay, then the rocket will start. Okay, children, this is called as the backward counting, or we can say that rocket counting. Okay, why? Because from 10 to 0 when we will count backward, then when 0 comes, the rocket will start. This is the way to remember forward and backward counting. So once again I am repeating here, forward counting means what? When we are starting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Normally how we count? Like that, when we are counting the numbers, that is starting from 1 and then the next number, that is called as forward counting. And when we are counting from 10 to 1, or we can say 20 to 10 or 20 to 1, 50 to 1, opposite we are counting, then that is called as backward counting. So hope you understood about this one. Now moving to your textbook. Now children, moving to your textbook, you can see here ascending and descending order. Do you know what is the meaning of ascending? Don't worry if you don't know the meaning of ascending. But remember that ascending means increasing. Increasing means what? Yes, that means smallest to the greatest. When we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, first we are counting and we are starting from the smallest one, that is 1. Yes or no? And then we are moving to the next great number 2, then 3, then 4. Like that we are increasing the numbers, right? So ascending means increasing order. Okay? So when we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then that is called as ascending. And when we are counting the backward counting, or we can say that 10, 9, 8, that means decreasing. Right? Increasing when we are counting smallest to biggest. Decreasing when you are counting biggest to smallest. Don't worry if you are not able to understand. When I'll show you with examples, you will understand this properly. Okay. You just remember the meaning of ascending is what? Increasing or smallest to the greatest number. Okay. And descending means what? Descending means decreasing or arranging the numbers from greatest to the smallest. Okay. I'll tell you some examples. Don't worry about that. Now, you try to understand this picture. Are you able to see the picture here? Yes, one boy is there and what he is doing? He is climbing up the stairs. That means he is going up. Okay. So, when he is going up, then how he is counting? He is counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. That means from smallest to biggest. Okay, that is called as ascending order. What is the spelling of ascending? A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending order. That means smallest to biggest. One is smaller, yes or no? So 1, then next 2, smallest to bigger. Then 2, then next bigger number is what? 3. Next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 is the smallest number. If 1 is not there, then we will start with 2. That example also I will give you. Okay, no need to worry. You just remember that ascending means what? Ascending means smallest to bigger. That means from 1 to above. Now, descending means what? Decreasing order. That means what? Here, are you able to see the girl is what? Climbing down the stairs. That means she is counting 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that she is counting. That means from biggest number 10 to she is counting to smallest number 1. So 10 to 1. That is decreasing order. Increasing, decreasing. Increasing means 1 smallest to biggest. Okay. So descending or decreasing means what? Biggest to smallest, children. Now here you can see that examples are given. So ascending means what? As I said you, the forward counting. Don't be confused between both. Okay. Ascending means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Okay. Descending order means what? Yes, decreasing. That means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means biggest to smallest. Now, can you tell me ascending means what? Yes, ascending means increasing or smallest to biggest. Descending means biggest to smallest. Okay, children, if you understood this concept, you can do any question based on this ascending or descending order, children. Okay, now, when in order we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that is called as ascending order. That you know. Now, if some of the numbers are not there. Okay, that means what? If some numbers are not there. For example, if 2 is not there, then after 1, which number will come? Yes, 3 will come. Similarly, if 5 is not there, then which number after 4, which number will come? Yes, 6 will come. Okay. Similarly, if any numbers are given, okay, and that are mixed, you have to write the ascending order and descending order, children. So here you can see 3, 6, 8, 9. Even though 1, 2, 4, 5, these numbers are not there, but still this is in ascending order. That means what? This is in increasing order. Okay, whatever the numbers we have, okay, maybe some of the numbers are missing, but still the order should be ascending or descending according to the question. Okay, similarly in the descending order also, if in the same, this is 3, 6, 8, 9, this is smaller to bigger, right? Now bigger to smaller, 9, 8, 6, 3. Some numbers are not there, but still the numbers are in descending order, right? So hope you understood about this one. Try to do some questions, and what is your homework is Yes, you have to write the backward counting from 50 to 1 children in your classwork. Okay? Now, this is all about your ascending and descending order, about your forward and backward counting, and some of the questions based on that counting we will discuss in the next class.